Hey guys, Matt Smallbone from Heartland RV here.
And I'm Michael Minutell with Heartland RV.
We're standing in front of the brand new 321 FL Milestone. This is a 2023, some really cool features coming to it.
Yep, new interior, new floor plans, new features. Looking forward to showing everybody.
Yeah, something to really piggyback and focus on is this new solar program we're doing. 380 watts of solar, two 190 panels. Really, really awesome.
Cool, let's go show everybody what's new. So one of the great things with Milestone is that everything comes standard on this unit. There's no options. With that comes standard a Rotaflex pin box, really nice from a standard lipper component pin box. Very nice for chucking and swaying down the road, makes for a very nice ride. Going to the roof, 2 AC standard with this unit, 115K in the main, 113.5 in the bedroom. New solar for 2023, it's called our Sol 380. That comes with two 190 watt solar panels, a 30 amp charge controller, and a 2000 watt inverter. Let's go to the entry of the unit and see what's new for 2023.
Michael, some really cool features up front. One thing that's brand new to our Milestone 2023 models is going to be this extending grab handle here.
Very cool.
So really easy to access here. It actually extends all the way down.
Nice. So
that your first step isn't giant trying to grab that handle there. Now you can really have that ease of access with down low for your first step.
Yep, makes it stable. Everyone loves that.
Absolutely. Also, as you had mentioned, everything being standard on Milestone, one thing I want to point out too is we do have the ground control. That's the 3.0 electric leveling system. That is standard on Milestone as well. So no hidden options or anything like that.
Absolutely. Let's go inside and show them what's new in the interior for this unit.
Cool. So Michael, now that we're heading inside the brand new 321 floor plan, some really cool features in this kitchen.
Yep, starting off with the oven. This is our new standalone oven. Bottom drawer is actually a warming drawer. So once you're finished up making your food before you plate it, want to keep it warm, really cool feature to have inside of an RV. Above this, microwave, 30-inch over-the-range microwave, plenty of space for whatever you want to microwave in here. To the side of it, you'll see our 12-volt, 15 cubic foot refrigerator from Furrion. Left-hand side, you'll notice is actually a window looking into almost a wine fridge in there. So you want to keep your adult beverages nice and cool, really cool feature to have. Lastly, our new countertops. They're LG high-mat countertops, but as you can see, they have nice veining. Looks like a really nice residential touch.
For sure. Other things to touch on too are going to be this large cabinet space. So right next to you have those really big cabinets. You got some good storage over here. You also have your LCI one-touch control panel right there where you can run your lights, your awnings, your slide outs right from just that centrally located area.
Very nice.
Also behind me is going to be a giant window. We know that when people are out there camping, they want to enjoy their scenery. So there's no wasted space there. It's really awesome.
A lot of natural light in there. Why don't we take them above the stairs and kind of show them the new living space?
Absolutely.
Matt, I'm loving this new front living layout.
Yeah, absolutely unique. Got a giant L-shaped couch right there, so no wasted space for seating. Absolute ample seating across from this giant entertainment center.
I see it has that new JBL sound system. This is also going to come with that new Wi-Fi prepped smart TV.
Absolutely, yeah. So your smart TV is already going to have all those integrated apps in it, your Hulu, your Disney Plus, all that kind of stuff.
Right. I love the bar seating too, overlooking the kitchen. That's really nice to have.
Absolutely. So a really good place for dining, playing cards, or hanging out with the family playing board games.
Cool. Let's take them to the master bed, kind of show them that.
So Michael, now that we're headed into the bedroom, one thing that immediately catches your eye is this large king-size bed. So it has the east-west facing bed, just a ton of space in here.
Yeah, actually behind you too. That's the new washer dryer prep. So doubles as a closet, but if you want to put in, a combo washer and dryer, you're good to go.
Yeah, a lot of space up there. One thing also to notice, having the bedroom in the rear of the coach really allows for these high ceilings. I'm a tall guy, so that's something that's really important to me.
Your designated 13.5K AC as well, so it keeps it nice and cool in here.
Absolutely, and tons of storage behind you as well. A lot of drawer space, no wasted space. You also do have TV prep up there too, so if you want to put a TV in here, it really is just that master bedroom feel.
Absolutely. Let's take them to the bathroom, show them what's new. First thing that stands out to me walking into this bathroom is just how high the ceiling is in the shower. For a lot of our taller customers wanting something like that, this makes for a very nice feature. New shower surround as well. You'll notice that it's one full piece. Plenty of space for the toilet and solid surface countertops in the sink.
So Michael, now that we're finished up with this tour, really just wanted to emphasize how many boxes this unit checks. It's really amazing.
Yeah, really good changes I think we made for 2023.
Yeah, awesome. If you guys want any more information, please visit our website at heartlandrvs.com.